I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to this next student. Meet Amerti, a biology and biochemistry major from Ethiopia, who came a long way to Indiana to go even farther in life. Amerti has been a star in the research lab, taking advantage of those close relationships with professors to engage in real-world research projects. Amerti, tell us more about where you came from and where you're going. Take it away.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Alex. Hi, everyone. Coming to DePauw as an international student from Ethiopia, I vividly remember leaving everything and everyone I've known for 18 years to embark on my journey 7,000 miles away from home as a cell and molecular biology and biochemistry student. At DePauw, I've been able to build my community while doing what I enjoy. I serve as a research assistant, a lab manager assistant, a resident assistant, and a peer tutor for underrepresented STEM students. I've always enjoyed science, and coming to DePauw, I've had the opportunity to work on multiple research projects in several departments. My first year, we collected samples from the Big Walnut Creek in DePauw Nature Park and Des Plaines River in Illinois to assess the impact of wastewater treatment effluent on behaviors of microorganisms. My junior year, we worked on examining mutations and identifying if they're pathogenic or benign. DePauw also funds summer research and conferences. Last May, I presented our work at Penn State University for the Changing Microbiome Symposium. And this summer, I entered at UConn Health in their Biomedical Sciences program. We studied how protein Shigella bacteria interact with human proteins to invade the immune system. The project might contribute to the development of vaccine for shigellosis, which affects millions each year and doesn't have a vaccine. DePauw's research classes are designed to provide guidance and creative freedom equally to students, enabling us to be independent researchers and collaborative scientists at the same time. With 4 years of countless research opportunities, I am certain that I'll leave DePauw with the right tools to adapt to any situation and the skills to apply to opportunities at large institutes. That's it for me, Alex. Back to you.
Very impressive, Amerti. DePauw students can start on research projects as soon as their first year on campus. By the time they graduate, many of them have traveled to conferences and even co-authored studies with their professors. That's a huge leg up entering graduate school. Thank you, Amerti.